Hi guys! Alright, so in our first math lesson of this week, we looked at a picture of a fraction of a shaded area on a circle, and then we decided what the number fraction would look like. Today, we're going to do the opposite. We are going to take a number fraction and we are going to translate it. We're going to turn it into a picture fraction. Okay, so this time, instead of building the numbers, you are going to be building the picture. So we're going to look at how that looks like today, but by the end of today, you are going to be able to build a fraction, and you are going to practice using your denominator and numerator vocabulary when looking at a fraction. For our first example today, we are going to be looking at the fraction 2 over 3, or 2/3. Now, we want to take our picture and we need to decide how many of these pieces or parts of our shape need to be shaded in. Okay, so let's double check that we have the right shape in front of us and that it's broken up into the correct amount of parts. So our denominator, practice saying that word, our denominator is 3. So that means that our shape should be broken up into 3 equal pieces. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3. All right, we have 3 equal pieces. Now let's look, I know I keep switching sides. Let's look at our numerator. Our numerator is 2. So that means that we should take our shape and we need to color in 2 of our 3 equal parts. So we can do that right now. We have 1 and 2. You can make sure that yours is colored in just perfectly on yours. But now we want to double check and make sure that our fraction 2 over 3 is represented correctly by our picture. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 equal parts. That matches our denominator. And now we want to look at our parts shaded. That should be 2 because that's our numerator. And we have 1, 2 parts shaded. So this fraction, we translated it, or we turned it into from a number fraction into a picture fraction. We're going to look at one more example. For this example, we are going to look at the fraction 1 over 4. Okay, so we're going to look back at a circle again. We looked at a rectangle for our first example today. Now we're back at a circle, and we want to double check and make sure that our circle is broken up into the correct number of parts. So I'm going to look at my denominator, my number on the bottom, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. 4 is in the denominator. That checks out. That's good. Now we need to see how many parts do we need to shade. Our numerator says 1. So I'm going to come over here and take one of my 4 equal parts and shade that in. And again, you can make it look perfect. So we have 1 over 4 for our number fraction, and we have 1 of our 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces shaded in. So that's how we translate a number fraction into a picture fraction. All right, guys, so we've done 2 examples on how to take our number fraction and translate it or turn it into a picture fraction. So now you guys will have some practice on an activity that's posted in the newsletter on how to take a number fraction and turn it into a picture fraction for different shapes. I hope you guys have fun and have a wonderful rest of your day.